Okay, UFO back once again. UFO Bob back once again. So, what's my next lecture? What's my next talk for 3 minutes? Okay, how do we get beyond what's called the race dialogue, the race debate, the conflict about race, black, white, or whatever it is, or whatever other races go through between each other? How do we get beyond it? Okay, first of all, human beings have to understand from a scientific point of view, pure scientific, okay? The race conflict, the race disagreement, the way people view each other a lot of times through the prism of race is purely illusionary. From a pure scientific way of looking at it, is purely illusionary. It only exists within the illusions of one's own mind. In reality, it doesn't exist because at the end of the day, we're all energy fields, okay? We're energy fields that's constantly coalescing between energy and matter at such a vibrational rate of existence. It's not even funny. We may feel ourselves to be matter, but we're also frequency energies, okay? And so the thing about the race thing, it's just an interpretation that our inner minds, both physical as well as the mind itself, makes. In other words, the color spectrums, when it hits our eyes and everything else, when it comes to our eyes, I shouldn't say hit, but when it, let the flow of the universe speak through me. But when the color spectrums come, they come through our eyes and our mind. It interprets it within ourselves, okay? It's not an outside interpretation, it's an inner interpretation, which proves on a scientific level that the race conflict is just purely within our minds. It doesn't really exist. It's a huge waste of time. It's a huge, huge, huge waste of time. And to constantly look back all the time as to whatever injustices happened because the people back in time were operating on an ignorant level, okay, a backward level, and then constantly superimposing that today is to really do a disservice, because who we are today is who we are today. And so the way to solve it is to link with like-minded individuals and know that it's just an utter waste of time. Matter of fact, a lot of it, for many people, is just an excuse to fail. I fail because of this race that oppressed me. It could be any race, doesn't matter. So it's a big waste of time. The way to move beyond it is just to realize it's just an illusion within one's mind. That's all it is. It's a big waste of time. Thank you. Thank you for hearing this. Appreciate it.